This is Coach Cailah here, and I want to welcome you to our 5-ingredient recipe pack. So this is more like a course, right? So when you sign up, you get this information here. So we start to look at a little bit inside, okay? So we look at, we have some client testimonials, great. But more importantly, let's get to the recipes. So every time you come in, you'll be able to click through and kind of see where you are. So here are just an example of the recipes. So peach glaze, grilled pork chops, right? Honey mustard, roasted chicken, cheesy garlic, spinach, zucchini noodles, veggie stir fry, fruity jam. So there are tons and tons of recipes here for you to start to look at. Now, in this one, number 3, this is where all the recipes are. So the recipes take you through the ingredients that you need, simple step-by-step directions, and then the pictures of what you're looking towards, right? So everything is really simple, really nice and cut out for you, okay? And then lastly, we look into the healthy lifestyle feels. And again, it's about how to get better, how to get healthy, and what you need to do to help yourself to design the body of your dreams. I hope you enjoy this tasty sauces and the tasty recipes. Enjoy.